What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Decelation, and we're back on my 2003 F350. Last video you saw of it, we couldn't get it started, so we're gonna check the batteries out, pull the batteries out, probably get new ones. I don't know how old they are, and they're probably pretty fucking old, so watch you guys change the batteries. Alright, welcome back, guys. That was the most annoying battery change I've ever done. Not because it was hard, the batteries are really easy to get to, but the truck is parked around the corner from my house because it doesn't fit in front of my house because it's so long. I kept having to go back and get the right tool. I had to walk back to the house twice. Annoying. Just annoying. Alright, so we're gonna go get these batteries swapped out, and maybe the truck will start, hopefully. Although I'm thinking there may be another underlying issue as well, because I drove the truck like 50 miles and it sat for just a couple of days and then it didn't want to start again. So it might be an issue with the charging system. So after I put the batteries in, if I actually can get the truck to start after that, we will measure the voltage on the batteries while the truck is running and see if the alternator is actually charging or not. If not, I mean, luckily the alternator is right on the top of the motor, so it shouldn't be too hard. I say that now, watch it be a pain. Oh, stay tuned and I'll be back with brand new batteries. Welcome back, guys. So, got my batteries. Now time to toss them in and see if this truck starts. So, stay tuned while I put these batteries in real quick. Alright, so got the batteries in, got them tightened. I didn't put the bottom clamps on yet. I want to see if this is the issue. I'm anxious. See if this thing will start. So this is you guys with me. Will it start? Make sure I put my tool, yeah. Let's see if this baby has got the juice. We're gonna do that one more time. Almost wanted to start. I think there's something else going on. These are brand new batteries. It just needs a little gas sometimes. There we go. Well, we're gonna let this thing warm up. Maybe it just needs a little gas when you're trying to start it. Who knows? We're gonna take this thing to a shop and get it cleaned up and everything, sorted out as well. But I just wanted to get this thing at least running right now. So, as you see, she's running. Let's roll the window down so I don't accidentally lock the door. So yeah. Alright. Step number one. Got it started. I'm gonna let it warm up. Probably play a little bit of musical cars, because the next thing on the agenda today is try and sort out this fucking wiring, because this is getting a little out of hand. So get some tail lights and everything else going, get them going to like right there. So yeah, stay tuned. That's the next project. Welcome back, guys. So now I'm gonna mess with getting the tail lights. Truck started back up the second time after I let it warm up, turned it back off, walked away a little bit. It fired up in like under 2 cranks. It just, yeah, I think the batteries are just weak. I put a voltmeter on the batteries as well, and alternator's pushing out about 14 volts. So I think that should be fine, but I'm coming from the gas realm. If it needs to be higher, let me know in the comment section. I'll probably look it up a little bit later as well, but you guys have been an immense help anyways. So yeah, we're gonna wire up these taillights, because right now those are the taillights and I don't like that. We're gonna go back to the factory location, except for Ford didn't have the factory harness anymore, so I've got to do my own custom wiring. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So Brian showed up while I was working on the truck, but if you notice, there's no crappy lights dangling under it, and then tail lights. And Brian, you're gonna hold it for me and show, we'll do a light check.
Alexander?
Yes, sir.
I'll sit right here.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You have a nice night.
You too, man.
Well, that's really bright on your camera too.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll go down to medium.
Lights flip. Like
What's that?
Nope. Never mind.
Your truck's a little too old school for that.
Yeah, that's true.
Look at that.
Hey guys, sorry the battery died right when we were filming this, and then when we started it back up it went into time-lapse mode, so I'm just kind of showing you that this is just showing all the lights working. Alright, so now we got the truck working, the tail lights and everything. I'm very happy. That was a little bit of a hassle, but we got everything working. But yeah, we're gonna cut it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. Hit that like button, hit that comment button, and comment down below. Hit the subscribe button, and have a good one. Peace.
Don't forget, Team Supercharger, Team Gullwing.
Oh!